Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Apollo IO, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, what are the differences between the free and paid plans in Apollo IO? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, a real quick video, not too much to go over, and rather than showing you how much I pay for Apollo IO, I'm going to show you I can find the most recent information because their prices could change at any time. But why would you want to know the difference between the free and paid plans anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business and you're looking for prospects or leads, Apollo IO is a popular way to pull up to 200 million leads with their most recent contact information. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Apollo IO dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave all the written instructions there as well. So Apollo IO does offer a free plan, which is what this test account is for, but they also offer paid plans as well. And the main difference between the plans is how many contacts or prospects that you can download and get their contact information like email and cell phone numbers and LinkedIn. So in order to find the difference between the free and paid plans, what you're going to do here on the dashboard, here at the bottom, you're going to click on settings. It looks like a gear icon. Okay, once you do that, it's going to open up this menu here on the left, and you want to click on billing. Once you click on billing, you're going to click on this button here, plan overview. Okay, so once you do that, you're going to see more information about your plan. You can see I'm on the free plan for this particular account, and it shows what it includes. So this only includes 10 export credits. So I can export 10 leads. So it's not really that much, but at least it gives you a chance to go ahead and try out Apollo IO. But if you want to see paid plans, you want to click here, purchase plan. Okay, so here are the differences between the free and the paid plan. So they have two options, annual billing and the monthly billing. So you can see, for example, basic is $49 if you pay for the whole year. So it works out to about $600 upfront, but per month it works out to about $49. If you just want to pay monthly, it's $59. And same thing for their higher tier plan. It's $149 if you pay monthly. If you pay annually, it drops it down to about $119 per month. And as you can see right here on the top, export credits increases exponentially. So if you pay, let's see, the monthly plan, $59 per month, you can export up to 1,000 credits per month, as opposed to the free, it's only 10. And then if you are pulling a lot of different leads, maybe you're doing a lot of cold outreach email, you're probably going to want to go ahead and pull this information. So this is 4,000 credits per month. Now on the basic plan, which is free, it's 5 mobile numbers that you can pull, as opposed to the organization plan, you can pull up to 200. Now they have other benefits that are added down here, as you can see. So even with the free plan, you get AI assisted email writing. You can send up to 250 emails per day. And then with each plan, it just starts adding on more credits and then more features as well. Also, if you are a large organization and you decide you want to go with the $149 per month plan, just note that they do have 3 users minimum. So that is actually going to work out to about $450 per month, but you get 3 users. So in my opinion, this is going to be sufficient for most local businesses because you can export up to 1,000 credits each month, and then you get 75 mobile numbers. So if you just have, maybe you're the only sales guy in the office, this is going to be sufficient to have enough leads coming in every month and people to call. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering what the difference is between the free and paid plans in Apollo IO, that's the easiest way I know how to find that information. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.